Hiccup, the intriguing story behind the annoying sound. Hiccup. We've all been caught off guard by these unexpected rhythmic disruptions, but have you ever wondered what's really going on when you hiccup? Let's unravel the mystery in 60 seconds. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. That's the muscle beneath your lungs that plays a crucial role in breathing. So, when hiccups strike, your diaphragm is doing a little dance without your permission. Meet the culprit, the phrenic nerve. Sometimes this nerve gets irritated, causing your diaphragm to spasm, and voila, you've got yourself a hiccup. Hiccups can be triggered by various things: spicy foods, carbonated drinks, sudden temperature changes, or even excitement. It's like your body's quirky way of saying, "Surprise!" Now, we've all heard about holding your breath to stop hiccups. Turns out it might actually work. It helps reset your diaphragm and interrupts the hiccup cycle. In the grand scheme of things, hiccups are harmless and usually go away on their own. So, next time you find yourself in a hiccup symphony, remember, it's just your body doing its spontaneous dance. Thanks for joining us on this quick journey into the world of hiccups. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Until next time, breathe easy.